Hello friends, firstly let me clear what is meant by government contractor business or career for you. In this business, as a contractor, as a civil engineer contractor, we are providing construction services to build, repair and maintenance of the government infrastructures like road, building, bridges, etc. Now who is your client? Obviously various government departments like CPWD, PWD, ZP, irrigation department, railway boards are your primary clients. Now let's talk about registration. Do I need any kind of registration to become a government contractor? Yes, you need a registration for a particular department. For example, if you want to become a government contractor for PWD, then in that case you need or you require PWD contractor registration. Now look, if you want to know the complete procedure of registration, then in that case I have already provided video link in description. You can completely study that one and decide which department and which registration is perfect for you. Now the next question is, what about education and experience for this business or this career? I will suggest that minimum diploma in civil engineering and 1 year of construction site experience is sufficient for this business. Now for this business, skills set are very important. Knowledge of construction stages, study of construction tools and machineries, study of local market for rates, communication for setting strong market network, then knowledge of subjects like estimate, construction material and construction management is very important to run this business properly. So now what about earning? Look, if you handle everything perfectly, in that case minimum 10% contractor profit is yours for per tender or per work. Now what's 10%? Basically it's a 10% of total construction amount required for that infrastructure. So that's 10% is your contractor profit. So how much I need to invest for this business? Basically I want to say that there is no need of office setup. So basically office setup is not mandatory for this business, but yes, after some time when you get a proper working flow, in that case you need office setup. And yes, to maintain work speed you need to purchase and maintain various tools, machineries and plants required for the construction of various sites. So in that case your investment will be increased after some time, but at the initial stages there is no need to invest over such a things. Only registration is the primary investment at the initial stage. And final question, what about future scope? As I always say, in developing countries like India, there is no need to worry about future scope for this business. Government will demand more and more contractor to fulfill their demand of infrastructure for our country. So you don't need to worry about future scope for this business or this career. Best of luck. Thank you so much. Please share this video with your all friends. Thank you so much.